Hello my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Spark. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic which is coming under Unit 1 of our syllabus. Social work as a profession in India, values, competencies and code of ethics for social work practitioners. Code of ethics. Do you have any idea regarding code of ethics of social work profession? I hope so. Anyway, let us discuss. As you know, social work profession is based on practical skills and an academic discipline, and that focus on social change, social development, social cohesion, as well as the empowerment and freedom of people. A code of ethics specifies rules of conduct to which members must adhere to remain in good standing within a professional organization. So, Code of ethics specifies certain rules or specific rules of conduct. So, members must adhere to remain in a better standing or good standing within a professional organization. We can say that Code of ethics recognizes that social work is a value-based profession where value judgment plays an important role in practice. So, social work is a value-based profession, and here value judgment plays more important role in practice. A code of ethics set forth values, principles and standards to guide social workers' behavior. So, this code of ethics for the professional social workers was developed and declared in the year 1997 in Social Work Educators Forum at TIS. Code of ethics is one of the main necessities for professional conduct of social work and for the credibility of profession among the members of society. And it is a statement which expresses the primary ethical values, obligations and goal of the profession. And definitely a code of ethics lays out clearly the professional values and explains what they are in terms of what we ought to do in order to protect and promote the public good and what we must avoid doing in order to prevent harm to the public. So, these are all about an introduction regarding Code of Ethics. Next, we can move to some goals of Code of Ethics. This Code of Ethics presents key ethical values of the profession and the basic ethical principles from the different areas of responsibility. So, this Code of Ethics presents ethical value of the profession. And we can consider it as an aid for social workers, social assistants and students of social work. So, we can consider Code of Ethics as an aid for social work practitioners. It provides the ethical standards necessary for the conduct of social work. This Code of Ethics provides ethical standards which are necessary for the conduct of social work. Next is, it is a tool for the evaluation of professional ethical conduct. So we can say that it is a tool for evaluation of professional ethical conduct also. Next is, which supports the ethical discussion and reflection of social work profession. So it supports ethical discussion and reflection on social work profession, and it contributes to the identity of social work as a profession and strengthens its status. So it contributes to the identity of social work as a profession and strengthen its status. So these are all about the goals of Code of Ethics. All these goals help a social worker to put the effort necessarily for fulfilling the duties of social workers into practice. So, each of the social workers, regardless of setting in which one chooses to provide services, must adhere to the Professional Code of Ethics established in 1996 by National Association of Social Workers Delegate Assembly and which is revised in 2017. So, National Association of Social Work Code of Ethics is intended to serve as a guide to the everyday professional conduct of social workers. So, it is served as a guide for everyday professional conduct of social workers. This code of ethics outlines 6 ethical principles that set forth ideals to which all social workers should aspire. The code of ethics is based on the 6 core values of social work profession. Here we are going to explain the 6 core values which comprise services, social justice, dignity and worth of person, importance of human relationship, integrity and competence. And we can see each core values in detail. First one is service. Social workers elevate service to others above self-interest. As you all know, social work promotes services to others above self-interest. It provides services in the interest of human well-being and assist people in need to address personal and social problems. So, social worker draws on their knowledge, values and skills to help people in need and to address these social problems. And it also provides a quality service by maintaining competence and offering a honest, reliable and confidential practice. Next is social justice. Social workers have a responsibility to promote social change, which is in relation to society in general and in relation to people with whom they work. So we can say that social workers have a responsibility to promote social justice. A social workers' social change efforts are focused primarily on issues of poverty, unemployment, discrimination and other forms of social injustice. So we can say social workers pursue social change particularly with and on behalf of vulnerable and oppressed individuals and group of people. And this social justice encompasses fair access to resource and treatment without prejudice or discrimination. So it's about social justice. Next is human rights and human dignity. As you all know, social work is based on respect for inherent worth and dignity of all people, irrespective of their individual diversity. So, social workers should uphold and defend each person's well-being. Social workers should uphold and defend each person's physical, psychological, emotional and spiritual integrity and well-being. Social workers treat each person in a caring and respectful fashion, mindful of individual differences and cultural and ethical diversity. And we can say social workers promote clients socially responsible and self-determination. Social workers seek to enhance clients' capacity and opportunity to change and address their own needs. So the importance is to respect for the inherent worth and dignity of all people irrespective of individual diversity. Next is importance of human relationship. Social workers connect people who need assistance with organizations and individuals who can provide the appropriate help. As a social worker, we should understand the relationship between and among the people are an important aspect to change. So, social workers engage people as partners in helping process. And we can say that social workers seek to strengthen relationship among the people in a purposeful effort to promote, restore, maintain or enhance the well-being of individuals, families, social groups, organizations and community. So, we can say that social workers can recognize that facilitating human relationship can be useful vehicle for creative change. Next is integrity. Social workers are always aware about their professional mission, values, ethical principles and ethical standards and practices. So, In order to facilitate these relationships and improve their lives, social workers must exhibit trustworthiness at all times. And social workers act honestly and responsibly and promote ethical practices on the part of organization with which they are affiliated. Next is competence. Social workers practice within their areas of competence and develop and enhance their professional expertise. Here, the importance is given to the social workers' competence and their professional expertise. So, as a social worker, we should have to practice within our area of competence and develop and enhance their professional expertise. And develop and enhance our professional expertise. And as a social worker, we should take only those cases with which we can handle with the level of our competence. And as a social worker, continually strive to increase our professional knowledge and skills and to apply them in practice. A social worker should aspire to contribute to the knowledge base of profession. So these are all about the 6 core values of social work profession. So next we can move to the ethical standards. Social workers also have ethical standards that concerns social workers' ethical responsibilities to the client, social workers' ethical responsibility to the colleagues, social workers' ethical responsibility in practice settings, their ethical responsibilities as professionals, and their ethical responsibilities to the social work profession and their ethical responsibilities to the broader society. So these are about the ethical standards of social work profession. So by this we are winding up today's session. So we have discussed about the core values and ethical standards of social work profession. Dear friends, I hope this will be a meaningful session for you. So prepare well. For the next session, I would like to discuss you with the theories of social work practice. It is very important topic. So don't forget to watch my next video. And if any one of you have missed my previous videos, please go to the bio. There you can see the link. And if you have any suggestion regarding this session, please give me a comment and support me. And we can see you on next video. Bye.